Hello, in this explain that this is a tutorial on how to fix your stop Spotify from adding songs to your playlist on mobile. Let's get started. First, and open up your Spotify. So be sure to have a premium one if you're using the Android one. So tap on your library and then filter it out to go to playlist. Check out your own made playlist. So in here, you see a green one and the shuffle next to the play button. Tap on it to disable it again. If you're going to do the shuffle again, make sure that you don't tap on the smart shuffle as it will really add another songs related to your songs added in your playlist. The other one or second method is to go to the settings, Spotify, scroll down until you see the autoplay content. It should be enabled, but in here, let's disable it. So that's about it. They explain that and that's how to fix and stop Spotify from adding songs to your playlist.
If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends by notifying that bell as well. As always, stay tuned for more tech tutorials on Explain That.